my YouTube friends. A few months ago I introduced you to my Kimekomi Ornaments. Recently I created this ornament in fall colors, and I will leave the link below about the creation of this fall color Kimekomi ornament. Today I will show you how I created this Kimekomi ornament in pink colors. These are the materials I will be using for my pink Kimekomi ball. This is a fabric. This is a satin fabric of nice warm pink color. I will be using this ball and my instruments. And I discussed these instruments in my previous videos, and I will leave a link above. And I will use this beautiful ribbon to tack it into the ball between the sections. As usually, I will divide my ball into 8 sections, and I will produce 2 designs, 4 panels for each design. Now I will show you how I created panel like this. On a new panel I use my template to restrict the area where I can embroider. These are the materials I will be using for this design: ribbon, decorative golden cord, some threads, golden black thread, and beads. First I will create the leaves using the simplest techniques for ribbon embroidery. I also mark the areas where my leaves should start and end, and where the whole design should end and start. My needle for ribbon embroidery and the ribbon itself are ready, so let's start to embroider the first leaf. This is the back of my panel. This is how I attach the end of the ribbon using my lighter. When it's hot, but not too hot, because you're going to leave some spots on the fabric. To create the pointed leaves, instead of pushing the needle like this, we will do the following. We will position our needle on the ribbon and get it through the ribbon and the fabric, creating this pointed end of the leaf, and hold on to the fabric so your pointed end of the leaf does not go on the back. This is intermediate result. I need to pull more. This leaf is ready. Let me continue and do all 5 of them. My leaves are embroidered, and I will use this thread to decorate my leaves and at the same time to fasten them to the fabric and create a shape for the leaves that I like. My leaves are done. Now I will use the cord to do these decorative elements using the same method, coming out and then going back through the cord. Let me finish these elements and I will come back. This step is also done. Now I will produce these 2 pink designs on both ends, but I will not concentrate on this because Brazilian embroidery is involved, But you can use any ribbons to create flowers and then attach beads. Let me finish this and I will show you the result. As the very last step, I need to attach these berries, and they are moving because they attach on a thread. To create these berries, I just took a proper bead and I wrap the red thread around, coming out from the holes, creating this surface. 3 panels are done of this design and I need to create one more. The second design is even easier to do. For this design I use 2 types of beautiful ribbons. I will cut a small piece and then cut out the birds on the twigs, on the branches, and from this ribbon I will cut individual leaves. And then I will continue with these pieces, but let me show you everything in turn. Let me first cut out these birds as 2 separate pieces. I cut my pieces from the ribbons, worked the edges with a lighter, and attached the pieces to the fabric to fix the position of my details. Now I will use this thread to go around each piece to attach it to the fabric. All my details are attached. Now I will use these seed beads to create additional design elements. I will try to create these twigs with a little berries. I embroidered all my berry branches. They're so pretty, so lovely. All my panels are ready and I will start the process of tucking in these panels into a foam ball. I already divided my ball into 8 sections and I will alternate my designs to create this beautiful pattern. 2 panels are already tucked in and I will continue the process of creating this Kimekomi ornament. All my panels are assembled. I have only the last one to do, and first I will cut around. I always use panels that are larger than I need to when I am working with the ball, so I will cut off the extra fabric. I cut off some extra fabric, probably I will need to cut more, and I attach both ends so I have some fixation of my panel on the ball surface. And I will start the tucking process from the middle. I started the process from the middle, and this is the excess of fabric, but don't cut it too much. You still need a good amount of the fabric go inside the ball between the panels, otherwise it will not be fixed well. My pink Kimekomi ornament is fully assembled. It's brighter and more bold than my other Kimekomi ornaments. Let's now look at my other Kimekomi ornaments one more time.